So it took me around 100 days to come up with what might be the ultimate money-making YouTube strategy for trading binary options. If all my theoretical calculations are correct, using this strategy it's possible to earn over $5,000 a day. Let's go! Woohoo! Wait, I forgot to mention one little detail. You'll need just 35 bucks and 35 clicks on your touchpad. 5,000 for 35 clicks! I mean, doesn't that sound like a magical strategy straight from Hogwarts? And now, let's see if it really works.
Go on.
Hey there, it's Simon, the fortune teller. I'm a pro trader who's been in the business for a solid 6 years, and for the past 3 I've been all about binary options. My win rate is 85.7%. Would you believe it, at just 27 I'm already a dollar millionaire. In the last year alone, I've raked in over 1.2 million on pocket option. I've bought my own house, I've got a top-notch sports car, and I'm jetting off to new destinations every single month. But you know what really gets me pumped? It's not just those numbers on my balance sheet. The real treasure is my Telegram channel with over 4,500 subscribers. There I share signals absolutely for free every single day. Just today, channel members have made over 200 grand by simply copying my moves. Join our friendly community on Telegram and start raking in thousands without spending a dime. Find the link in the video description and the pinned comment below this video. Hold on folks, it seems I might have promised to make a quick 5,000 bucks by clicking my touchpad 35 times. What? Did I really say that? Well, I've got to admit I have not actually tested this super profitable strategy yet. It's all in my head for now. I might have gotten a bit too carried away making that promise, but hey, we've come this far, so while I check how this strategy actually works, why don't you take a quick coffee break? Deal? Are you still here? Damn, looks like I'm stuck keeping my word. There's no turning back now.
No, don't you dare!
I have to!
You know, I always wanted to create a channel about classic trading with a laid-back vibe. But here I am with the channel showcasing the most valuable videos about binary options trading from a pro trader. To make sure you catch all my new strategies, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. So let's get down to business. Start the click counter. I'm thrilled that I trade every day and I always have pocket option open, so I don't need to spend 2 clicks to open the browser. Now, trade duration 1 minute, starting with 35 bucks. Spend the first click to set the candle interval to 30 seconds. We've got 4 currency pairs. Let's go with this crew today. British pound and Japanese yen, euro and US dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, and Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Based on my observations over the past month, these pairs have been behaving quite predictably, following the rules of the market that a pro trader like me can easily analyze. But all my experience and technical analysis knowledge would be useless without powerful pair of indicators. Bollinger Bands is an indicator that helps you understand the market volatility and where the price is likely to stop. If the price crosses the upper band, it's a sell signal, and if it crosses the lower band, it's a buy signal. A rune is an indicator that helps you figure out which way the trend is heading. When the Arun up line is above the Arun down line, that's a signal for an uptrend, and vice versa. When both lines are low, it might suggest a sideways market. These are pretty rare pair of indicators, but they should work like a charm. They are the core of my strategy. Man, it took 9 clicks just to set it up. I really don't want this to end in a flop, but I'm nervous. I hope it all works out. Let's dive into trading. The British pound and Japanese yen pair. After a sideways trend followed by a drop, an uptrend has kicked in, and on our short time frame, it seems like the logical move. We hit up. Awesome, we've raked in 67 bucks. Let's keep it rolling. Switching to the euro and US dollar pair. Both our indicators are pointing downwards and we've entered at a local peak, expecting a pullback. Down. Super, we made the right call again. Onward we go. The Australian dollar and the Swiss franc pair. Here we need to follow Arun signals. Expecting a move down, clicking down. Simon the fortune teller reads the market like an open book. What's going on with the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar pair? Well, we're witnessing an upward movement from a historical minimum. It's a good sign, so we're following it. Up. Super! We've already raked in $472. Man, I love making easy money.
Easy money. Come on.
You know, trading binary options can help you earn a few $1,000s in a short session. I've already bought myself a house and a sports car. What are you gonna spend the cash on when you start making tens of thousands? Drop a comment. I'm really curious to know.
You smell that? What is that? Cologne? No, money.
Back to the British pound and Japanese yen pair. Right now we're betting on a drop because the downtrend started after a local peak, and our choice aligns with the indicators. Down. Woohoo! Money, 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 money. Let's keep it rolling. The euro and US dollar pair. Wow, hold on, we need to think here. We're observing the beginnings of a sideways move and a lack of sharp impulses. The market's gone into a rather dicey situation. I never take a risk unless I'm 100% sure. That's why we're investing a quarter of our bankroll. Hit down. Oh, bummer, that's rough. That market acted against all the rules in this tricky situation, but I always see risky situations and never risk big money. The chances of making 5,000s got a lot slimmer, but it's too early to throw in the towel. Let's keep going. Moving to the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Well, it's pretty clear situation. We're observing a mild consolidation and weak trading at our minimum. So we're concluding the candle won't go up in these conditions. Hit down. Yes, $1,357. I always know what's happening in the market because I flew here from the future.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Let's keep it going. The Australian dollar and Canadian dollar pair. We hit down. We entered at our local peak and expect a drop. Just look at what Arun is showing us. Incredible! Seriously, it's unbelievable! Our balance is at $2,277, but we need more. Did you know you can make money by trading with signals from artificial intelligence? I have a video where I decided to see who would make more, Simon the master of technical analysis or the mightiest computer algorithm. Interested? Check out the video link in the description. Look what's happening with the British pound and Japanese yen pair. Here we're going for a drop. Again, we're entering at our local peak and expecting a reversal and the start of a downtrend. Hit down. Bam, 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 bam! We've already raked in $3,197. This is awesome! I want more. We need to keep going. Euro and US dollar pair again. We're seeing a sideways trend going on, and at this point I'm pretty confident the candles will follow in the footsteps of their predecessors. So we hit up. Incredible, yeah, let's keep making that money! Moving on to the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Check this out, there's just been a trend reversal from our historic minimum and an upward movement has started. Let's ride this wave and press up. Incredible! My strategy works! We've raked in $5,037! I'm about to go crazy! Haha! Starting with $35 and clicking this finger 33 times, we've pulled in over $5,000! It's seriously mind-blowing! This video will go down in history, I'm sure of it.
Okay,
Just 3 years ago, it would have taken me 3 months of non-stop work to save up 5,000 bucks. And now I can make $5,000 in just 15 minutes without getting out of my chair. But the best part is, I can give other folks the chance to pocket thousands too. My Telegram channel already has over 4,500 subscribers. Just by copying my signals today, subscribers have made around $164,000. On average, each trader made over $500 today in just a few short sessions. Check out what they're saying after they've done their trades. Wanna make 500 bucks a day too? Here's the deal. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link is in the description, and send me a personal message. And what's next? I'll personally teach you everything, right down to pressing each button. Making money with my support will be a piece of cake and absolutely free. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in just a couple of days and start earning. Head over to my Telegram channel using that first link in the description and the pinned comments below the video.
Okay.
Folks, I'm telling you, my heart is still racing from that wild trading session today. I need to go for a relaxing massage at a premium spa. And in the meantime, check out another crazy video where I went head to head with none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm trying to out-earn the Portuguese genius. Click here or find the link in the description. That's all for today. Bye for now.